The lady from Uncle. International Affairs. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at how to edit links or anything actually on your YouTube channel in the new interface. Now, it used to be that when you hovered over the section that you wanted to edit, you would get the edit pencil here. Nowadays, that's not possible. The other thing is that you would actually get a small cog appear around about this area here, which would indicate, you had the edit options. What you need to do for starters is, if you don't see the option to edit anything, is to click on Customize Channel. And that actually takes you to the old style interface, and here's the cog that I'm talking about. Now, under the old interface you would have that and you would click on that, but you'll actually now see that when I hover over the links section, I have the option to edit the links here, but I also have the option to edit it in the channel art. So at the top right hand corner of the channel art, if I click on that, I also have the option there to edit links. And that is how to edit links both under the old interface and how to get to the old interface from the new one. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.